I was on my way to law school, Brian. I wanted to be a prosecuting attorney. I was already slated to go to UVA, and I got an opportunity to go play professionally in Sweden. So my dad's like, yeah, you should go and do that, and law school will be there. And then when I came back, I had an opportunity to try out for the Mystics, and made it to the last cut and got cut. And then my coach from college said, Vanessa, well, you're going to try out next year? I said, yeah, I want to. He said, well, why don't you spend this year with me? And so I went up there. I was like, I don't know anything about coaching. I don't want to coach, but I knew I wanted to play.
Yeah.
So I played every day. I was able to scout and do all those things. And a lot of those girls I played with, so it was fun. It was like back in college, but no school. And so I did that, and then the second year I went and tried out for the Mystics, and I didn't make it again. And I said, okay, well, I'm going to law school. And my coach convinced me one more time, just one more year. And I was like, okay, one more year, coach. And then on a Tuesday, he came into my office and he said, Vanessa, I think I'm going to retire. And I said, well, why'd you have me come back? I could have been at law school. And he's like, oh, no, I'm going to retire on Friday. And I said, coach. And he said, yeah, and you're going to be my successor. Your press conference is on Friday. I said, what? I don't want to do that. He said, oh, I talked to your dad. We decided it was good. I
Awesome.
said, so sometimes, you know what, I think you got to thank the people who saw you winning before you knew you could win.